So this is my comment about a certain video. So there has been talk about what if you're going to switch the original 1987 Romero Dawn of the Dead female protagonist to the female protagonist of the Dawn of the Dead 2004 by Snyder. They say that, oh, they're going to be more smarter, they're going to be like that. Actually, it will actually depend. The original version, George Romero, was actually fitting during his time because his time, the culture, yung kultura po nila, was actually different. The 1970s, you could actually mix the year 2004 rock alternative mindsetting to the 1970s or 80s. That will be completely awkward. Romero's film was actually the blueprint or the framework of all zombie genre. You can't actually have the what you call the year 2004 version without the original. You can't just say, oh, he's going to be this year 2004 female protagonist is going to be smarter, she's going to be more action-packed. No, it's actually different. Also, the theme. What is the theme of George Romero's Dawn of the Dead? It's not about survival. It's about what would happen to people when governments and social order collapse. We would actually go to savagery. That is why zombies, they act like more gorish or something. They're savage. It's kind of like Batman the Dark Knight, what Joker said. When the chips are down, everybody's going to eat everyone up. It's like a dog eat dog. In the year 2004, the theme is actually different. It's not about what would happen if society collapsed. It's about what would I do if there's this certain pandemic or if there's certain catastrophe and I'm in the situation, social order collapsed because of this virus where if somebody bites you, you actually become a ravenous, raging, athletic, running zombies. If you actually introduce this character, okay, this year 2004, to this character of 1978, they would actually possibly react the same thing. The year 2004, okay, female hero will actually react the same thing as 1978 because that is the theme, that is the environment, that is the mind setting. If you put this mind setting of your year 2004 to the 1978, then that would actually go against the norm. I probably think that this guy over here is going to say crazy. Okay, this one's look crazy because I don't understand what she's talking about. It's completely crazy, man. So in my opinion, if you're going to compare George Romero's Dawn of the Dead here to Snyder's year 2004 Dawn of the Dead, they would actually react the same thing. She, the 1978 female protagonist, is going to react the same emotion as the year 2004, and probably the year 2004 female protagonist is going to react the same as 1978 because both of these characters had never heard of zombies before. Zombie movies in their world don't exist, so probably both of them have no idea what a zombie is. So again, if you're going to compare the original to the remake, I say both have their respective place. You can't compare the original to the remake, and the remake can't be compared to the original. They both have their own respective theme. Okay? Take care, guys. Okay, this is for the international people who are actually interacting with.